What's going on, you guys? I'm back with another daily vlog, and today is Wednesday. And yeah, you already know what it is. We're not working on it today, no. But this coming Friday night, new vlog. Saturday morning, new vlog. Me working on Old Brown. Yeah. So, I gotta set y'all up real quick. Well, you're not gonna be able to see. Anyway, you're gonna be able to see my feet. Alright, guys. Now, take a look at that engine. 151 engine right there, homie. Nice engine. Real nice. So, that's the engine. And if we want to, we can come look at the inside. So let's go look at the inside. Let's go. Okay, guys, so if you're wondering what all this crap is, we're legit. We have to leave that there because it gets hot. So, there's all that crap over there. Steering wheel, seat, behind the seat. Yeah. We got the bed, bat, pretty cleaned out. We got a little window up. About forgot hand crank the windows. How on it up? Hold on. Boom. There you go. I got myself a new mirror in there as well. Frank, come over here. Come to your. Don't worry about that. Come over here to your engine. Here's my horn. My, what's it called? Engine fuel right there. My oil deal right here. My brake and gas fluid here. Air conditioning. My gloves and rag. We close it up. Come on. Close it up. And we need new tires, new battery, key, all that good crap. But yeah, that's what she looks like. Tires are messed up bad. The plate, I ain't gonna care about y'all seeing the plate. You're about to see why. 2007. That's old. That's an old plate. But I got my tailgate all good. I got my room for anything I want. Trailer hitch goes here. My mirror fell off, so I have to fix that. I got my gas tank here. I just can't open it. It's too tight. Need a car wash. Yeah, I'm just showing you the obvious things that needs to be fixed. Tire on us. We need all 4 tires fixed. We need the battery changed, oil changed, gas changed, key changed. Well, new key. And fix this mirror because it's broke. But you come inside, and then you have this. You got your visors, and then you got your radio over here. You got your little knobby deal there. You got your brake pedal and your gas pedal down there. You have your hill brake deal on. And then I don't know what this is. If you know what that is, please comment below. Got my light button and all that, my door handles, all that good crap. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. let's go and do the, let's go ahead and go do the whoa, hold on guys. Let's go do the outro. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And this Friday, I don't know when, but this Friday is going to be a new video of me working on that, somewhat. But guys, if you like to enjoy, leave a like, comment below, and I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Boom.